My name is Paul Hearn. In this video we're going to look at date formatting. We're going to be using our basic formatting spreadsheet, so we'll click on that. To format dates, a short date, select the cells and here we have date, so we have a short date, a long date, to expand the column out, I'll click here at the top of the column. I'll go through this in a minute, changing the date into a number. For the year, month, day, we highlight the column, right click, format cells, look for date, and then at this point we have a wider selection of date types. So here's our year, month, day. For the day and month, we take a slightly different approach. So we select the cells, right click, format cells. And this time we need to select custom. And in here we have a wider range of date formats. So I'm looking for day and month. Now it isn't there for me, so what I can actually do is just take one that's similar to what I want. So day, day, month, month, year, 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 and I can just delete out the years, and then that'll give me the day and the month. If I want the day of the week, I take a similar approach, so I select all the days of the week, right click, format the cells, and this time I create a custom type. So again, down to custom. There's my date type, so I want the day of the week, so I'm just going to put in D, 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 and then that will give me the days of the week, shortened, abbreviated. Now the last section here that I said we'll come back to is displaying a date as a number. Now I think this is quite an important concept. So where you have a date, these are actually stored as numbers by the computer. So if I enter a date into a cell, so that's the 1st of the 1st, 1900. Then because of the format, then Excel will actually automatically format that cell as a date type. You can see here it says date. If I then display that as a number rather than a date, then it gives me the number 1. And that's because Excel stores the 1st of the 1st as a 1. If I change this number to a 2, and then change the cell type back to a date, then that's the 2nd of the 1st, 1900. So if I put in today's date, here's a function that will do that for me, equals today. So today's date, and then if I display that as a number, that is the number of days since the 1st of the 1st, 1900. One of the advantages of storing dates like this for Excel is that it makes it quite easy to do calculations on dates. So I can easily calculate the number of days between two dates. So if I take today's date and then say I take Christmas Day, sorry, I don't need the equal sign there. Now don't forget these are both stored as numbers. So if I want to work with the number of days to Christmas, then all I have to do is subtract whatever numbers in this cell from the number in this cell, and that will give me the number of days. And the way to do that equals the value in this cell, which will be a higher number, subtract the number in this cell, which is today's date, and that gives me then the number of days until Christmas. So we've had a look at how to format dates. I would encourage you now to use the spreadsheet and go and have a go at doing some of the formatting on those dates. Thanks very much for watching.